everyone, so today we're going to talk about my 5E lesson plan dealing with the sun's motion in the news. The sun has a big role on dealing with the Earth's well-being. The sun radiates heat, rising the temperature of the Earth, rising the temperature of the water of the Earth, which is our oceans. So, the Earth and the sun are part of one system, and that system called the solar system. The solar system includes the sun, which is a star, planets, many moons, and the Earth is actually the third planet away from the sun, which is a good thing because we don't want to be too close to the sun that we're burning up, nor too far from the sun that we're freezing. So it's a good thing we're the third in line. And I want to include an article that I read this past weekend, and I want to share it with y'all. This article talks about Bill Gates and what he is trying to fund. Bill Gates wants to cover the sun to help counter global warming. It's a SURPLEX project, and this SURPLEX project is a solar engineering project. This project will release an aerosol into the Earth's atmosphere, creating a barrier between the sun and the Earth, hoping it's going to block the sun's heat from reaching the Earth, maybe cooling the Earth. And also, I want to show y'all a video that I found explaining the project. Here you go.
It's called Stratospheric Controlled Perturbation Experiment, or SCOPEX. A high-altitude balloon will lift instruments about 20 kilometers into the stratosphere, where it will release less than 2 kilograms of different naturally occurring chemicals, like calcium carbonate and sulfates, and then measure the change in atmospheric chemistry and light scattering. The Harvard group that...
So yes, there is a project created in the works of hoping that it's going to cool the Earth. And in the article, it shares the negatives effects of what could go wrong with this project. And then it's extremely risky, and can cause extreme changes in the weather. Because we don't know what's going to happen in 15 years once the barrier is broken. Is it going to rise in temperature really quickly? Would that cause more harm? So, in our next class in writing, we're going to write a opinion piece on whether or not you're against the project or for the project. You're going to add 3 reasons why the reader should agree with you or why the reader should change their mind. So the project is cheap and effective, but the project is also very risky and it causes extreme changes to the weather after the barrier has broken. So think on what you want to write about.